Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, the place where tech meets clarity. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most powerful SEO tools on the market, which is Ahrefs. Whether you're an absolute beginner or someone looking to sharpen your digital marketing game, this video will show you exactly how to use Ahrefs to boost your search rankings, spy on competitors, find winning keywords, and more. So if you are ready to unlock the full potential of your SEO strategy and drive real traffic to your site, grab a notebook, hit the like button, and let's begin with Ahrefs. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Ahrefs. On the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. But of course, if you wanted to create a free account here in Ahrefs, I want you to click the sign up button. What will happen is you will be forwarded to the plans and pricing. Now, it's up to you if you wanted to go right away with the light plan, which comes around $129 per month, or the standard, which is at $249, plus the advanced package, which is going to be $449 per month, and you get to have all these. But there is a better option for you. Wherein, if we hover down below, there's gonna be like an option here where you can try the platform for a limited access. I want you to go to the questions and we have answers. There's gonna be the first questions if you offer discounts or free trials. I want you to click the plus button and then you can access the free limited site explorer and site audit, right? So I want you to click the Ahrefs Webmaster Tools, which will forward you to a new page. With this, you can sign up for free, absolutely at no cost. I want you to click the sign up for free button. You'll be forwarded to a new page. It's very simple. You can sign up using your personal or your business email, or to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Google account. Now, if you do, you will be forwarded to this new page. It's very important for you to provide all the information needed so that Ahrefs can provide you a customized dashboard that best reflects your purpose, goals here in Ahrefs, right? So for example, I'm going to be choosing 1 to 50. Your role is one of the owner, and so for example, in this case, we're going to be using this, okay? And then I'm going to click on the continue button. And then, as you may notice, that it is providing you a customized dashboard. Now, if you wanted to import from GSC, so you can have like an automatic ownership verification, or you can add manually. Of course, if you don't know what GSC is, just skip that for now. We're gonna add the manual entry for the information so that we can fully configure project during creation. We're going to add manually, and then what will happen is you need to create your first project. All right. So in this case, we're going to be using something like maybe youtube.com, just for an example. All right. Now, the project name is going to be something like this. Okay. Now, it would provide all the information needed below. Now, for the folder, if you don't have the folder because it's part of the subscription plan, so we're going to skip that. But if you do, if you wanted to subscribe to the premium plan, you can do that as well. So that you have also the option to share with all your team members, maybe your client if you are working with a collaborative environment. With that, you can also manage the access, right? Like limited role, admin, and manager. And then what we're going to do next is click the continue button. All right. Now you can install the Ahrefs Web Analytics, which is optional, so you can monitor your website traffic with simple and privacy-friendly analytics. But for now, we're going to skip that. You can show an example here. Now let's click the continue button. All right. And then, since if you don't have a specific domain that you own, or maybe your client have it, but you don't have any access, just continue without the verification. All right. Let's skip that for now, and we're gonna click the finish button. So you have the schedule site audits. All right. You can also have the URL sources and the crawl settings. Now, with this, you have more control by putting in a scheduled audit speed. Is it going to be like 60? And it's up to you. But if you don't know any of these for now, I highly suggest you click the finish button. What will happen is you will be forwarded to the new page, and loading times may vary depending on your connection. So you want to make sure that you are connected to an active and stable internet connection. If in case you are having problems accessing Ahrefs, you might want to use a VPN, because Ahrefs is employing a thing called geo restriction on specific location or region. Okay, so I'm gonna get back to you once it's done. And then right off the bat, it will be forwarded to the main platform of Ahrefs. So do not be overwhelmed with all the things that you see here in Ahrefs, because we are going to show you exactly the most important part. We have the dashboard, which is kind of like your central control panel. It gives you a quick overview of all your websites and the projects you're monitoring. Right now, we don't have anything yet in place because this is a newly created account, which is kind of limited, matter of fact. But earlier we have created the website or domain of youtube.com, so that you can view health scores, which is perfect for staying updated at a glance. Now, the brand rater monitors the web aforementions of your brand, all right? For example, if you're using a specific website like youtube.com, so you would see all the backlinks for that. You have the brand reputation, thinking of it as your brand mention tracker in the internet. And then the AI content helper essentially is the tool that you can use to assist with content creation and optimization. All right, so let's say we're gonna target keyword. For the keyword is crash course, and then maybe Ahrefs. If you can put in the article URL, which is optional, and you need to provide the brand kit if you don't have that. And I want you to click the create a document. With this, it would instantly generate blog post ideas, creating outlines or first drafts, helping you improve existing content for SEO. Because the AI content helper writes SEO titles and meta descriptions, which is ideal for speeding up content creation with SEO best practices built in. So we have been using Ahrefs for quite some time. One of my clients who has been using Ahrefs for since time immemorial. All right, so let me tell you that this is one of the best SEO tools out there. And as you can see, it provided content for you to use. Like for example, SEO course for beginners, complete SEO course for beginners, and a lot more. You also have all of these. Now, the first one has been just suggested because it has been optimized for this intent. And with that, I want you to click the continue button, and then you will be forwarded to a new page we're in. Now, I'm going to go back to the main homepage of Ahrefs because I'm going to show you around with the Site Explorer. So this is going to be the core feature of Ahrefs and one of the most powerful tools because it allows you to analyze. For example, we're going to type in youtube.com. Let's click the search button so that we can track and analyze any domain's backlink profile. But since we don't own this, we're gonna skip that. For example, let's say in this instance we're gonna be using maybe google.com. Probably let's type it in, enter that, and you will see. Oh, so we have a kind of like a limitation with using the free trial. So you need to verify the ownership of your domain. If you don't do that, you will not be able to view the backlinks, organic search traffic, and top keywords, which is great for spying on competitors or diving into your own site. Now, the next is going to be the Keywords Explorer. So you can search keywords across major search engines. All right. Now it gives you the ability to search like volume, keyword difficulty, click metrics, related and matching keyword ideas. I find this essential for planning content and SEO campaigns. All right. And then obviously the site audit is going to be one of the best tool so that you can crawl your website and identifies technical SEO issues. You just have to verify the ownership of your website to activate it. Because with this, you can have like a broken links, duplicate content, slow page, indexing issues, which you can use to improve your site's technical health and SEO performance. I'm going to go to the Ahrefs again homepage. There's going to be all tools here. All right. You see that some are not accessible because we have a limited access. But if you unlock the full features of Ahrefs by going to the subscription by clicking the upgrade button, you would leverage all the tools here. All right. Again, they come from a different pricing plans. They have the light at $129. Standard is at $249. Advanced is at $449, and the enterprise is $1,499 for you to take advantage of. We're gonna go back again to the old Ahrefs, and then on the left side panel we're gonna see the create a new project, but it's blocked. And then there's gonna be some projects here. You have the portfolio. If you wanted to create a portfolio, it's kind of limited. Plus the reports, wherein you can create your first report, build your own right here. Let's say in this instance we're gonna create our first report. You can share this to your team members, and then you would have all of the analytics right for you so that you can use it. You can add a widget. All right, and then you have the start plus the folders. These are unlockable when you subscribe to the upgrading plan. And with that being said, and that wraps up on our short course using Ahrefs. It stands out for its comprehensive features, intuitive interface, and reliable data accuracy. While it comes at a premium, the value it brings to your SEO strategy makes it a worthwhile investment, especially for agencies, marketers, and serious content creators. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next tutorial just like this one. If you have any questions about Ahrefs, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.